everybody, it's Lisa Medley, and I'm here to introduce you to Fluid Movement Freedom. Fluid movement freedom is a movement modality that is based on your body's natural physiological design of fluidity. We are not as solid as we've been led to believe. We are not designed to move in linear, repetitive patterns all the time. We are fluid-based. We're basically oceans walking around the world. Our body is anywhere from 70 to 90% water, kind of just like the planet Earth. And so we're designed to access all of this fluid movement potential, feel more free, nourish our body, enhance our health and our wellness and our well-being. So Fluid Movement Freedom teaches really simple movements based on how water moves in waves, in spirals, in circles, in arcs, and brings awareness to different parts of your body to move in these natural ways that's aligned with you and your body, your comfort, your range of motion, and really staying tuned in to what feels just right to you. And at some point, getting out of the way enough, meaning your agenda, your mental agenda, and just allowing your body to move you and create that freedom from the inside out. So I want to show you a really simple movement to reduce tension in your shoulders and upper back. Shoulder figure 8, very simple name for a simple movement, has a little bit of a magic trick in it too. So I invite you to stand up. If you've been sitting a lot, this is a wonderful opportunity to just take a little break, to stand up, take a breath, shake out your shoulders, shake a leg, just say hello to your body. Hi body, hi body, your three-dimensional fluid body. Find your breath. Great, and now find your feet. Feel your feet underneath you. Relax your hip joints, your knee joints, your ankle joints. Nothing to do here except just tune into your body, create some more freedom. So I invite you now to pick an arm, pick a shoulder, and simply we're just going to carve out a figure 8 in space. So you're just going to carve out a figure 8, an infinity symbol, and you can keep it low here like me. You can bring it out here, you can bring it above you, you can make it big, you can make it medium size, you can make it small. You just find with your shoulder, with your range of motion, your comfort, just find that inner and outer rotation. And you want to keep your arm relatively straight, not locked, but relatively straight, so you can access more range of motion in your shoulder. Great, and take a breath. And now slow down, and imagine a figure skater in technical competition when they are carving out on the ice a figure 8, an infinity symbol, and they have to be very precise to make the best shape possible to show their control of the blades. And so by slowing down, you're going to notice where you might be unintentionally skipping over that shape. You want to, again, stay within your comfort level. And this may feel weird. It might feel like you're stretching a little bit, but it should not be painful. So if you feel any pain anytime, you want to stop well, you definitely want to stop, and then you can also just play with the size. Maybe if you make it bigger, it feels better, or smaller, or medium. You just listen to your body. So again, you want to slow down enough and just giving your shoulder joint an opportunity to move through the capacity that it has with your body and with what your shoulder has been through in life so far. And just for fun, go the other way. Go the other way, and this is an opportunity to engage your brain. Your brain and your body are having a conversation and creating some pathways, creating some connections. Great. And then just find a place to pause. Shake that shoulder out, shake that arm out. Take another breath. Come back to center. And before we do the other side, just take note. Close your eyes or just soften your eyes. Just tune in. How does that shoulder feel? How does that arm feel? How does it feel relative to the other one? Notice if it feels any wider, maybe longer. That's kind of the magic trick. When I teach this live, it's very often that when we do this, everybody's arms that they just did, this figure 8 motion, is longer. Yeah, great. Now let's even you out. Take your other arm, again, relatively straight arm, not locked, but straight. Great. And then just start to move, find this figure 8. Notice if it feels different from your other arm. No right or wrong, good or bad, just notice. Breathe. Find that figure 8 that's comfortable for you. Again, you can play with the size, low, medium, high, big, medium, small. Good. And breathe. Relax your legs, feel your feet. That's it. And then slow this down. Begin to slow down this shape. And again, bring to mind that figure skater that's carving out this shape of a figure 8, an infinity symbol on the ice. Notice if you're unintentionally skipping over places, and give yourself, your body and your brain, a moment to make a connection. And as long as it feels good, again, maybe unfamiliar, but as long as it's not painful, just slow down enough and see if you can enhance that inner and outer rotation of your shoulder, releasing tension, creating more freedom. And again, breathe. Great. And then for fun, go the other direction. Notice what you notice. Great. And then finish that up. Bring that to a pause. Shake that shoulder, shake that arm out. Take a breath. Come back to center. And again, just soften your eyes or close your eyes. Tune into that shoulder, that arm. How does that feel relative to the other one you just did? And then just notice them together. Notice the width and length of your arms and shoulders. Does it feel different than when you started earlier? Great. So this is something really simple you can do anytime. You know, we're taking a few more minutes for me to talk you through this, but you could do, 2 minutes one side, 2 minutes the other side, 1 minute one side, 1 minute the other side. You can just make it very simple and just help to release some tension in your upper shoulders, neck, which is a very common area of tension and stress. So thank you for watching. Keep playing with that, and if you'd like more information about Fluid Movement Freedom, any of my virtual weekly classes, you can see below for more information, and feel free to be in touch with any questions. Thanks again for watching. Be well.